Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will be going through Cambridge Primary Checkpoint Mathematics from April 2020 through 2023. This is the latest paper that was done. So let's start. Question number 1 that I have here. Calculate this 75 times 5 times 2 plus 65. So we have to use here BODMAS rule. That means we will use BODMAS, or sometimes call it BIDMAS also. There is no bracket here, there is no indices means power. There is no division, so we have here multiplication first. So we will do this first. So for that also, to make it easier, 75 times 5 times 2 is 10. So we will do this first, then plus 65. So this is 750 plus 65. So 750 plus 65, 6 plus 5, 11, 815. So final answer is 815, right? Now second one, again here we have different signs. We will use the same rule again. So we have here bracket first, so we will do bracket first. This one, 8 plus 3 plus 2 is 5 times 7, right? Now there is no division, there is no power, so again now we will do multiplication. So multiplication is here. So 8 plus 5 times 7 is 35. So this is 43, right? Now next question. Yusuf folds a paper circle to make a new shape. Write the length of diameter of the circle. So you see, this is a circle. He has folded it. Was it like this actually? So he has folded it into this part. So this is the radius. So if this is the radius, diameter is always 2 times radius, right? So 2 times 5, that is 10. 10 centimeter is going to be the diameter. Write 2.5 hours in minutes. So 2 hours and half. So we can split it, 2 hours plus 0.5 hours, right? 2 hours means like 2 times, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So 2 times 60. This is half actually. Half of an hour is 30, right? And this is 120. So total is 150 minutes. So 150 minutes, right? So this is how you can do these questions slowly, but don't panic. So just think and do it accordingly, whatever instructions are given to you, right? Now here we have number 4, complete the calculation. So I have here 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 1. We can write over 1 if there is nothing. So then this 1 over 2, we are going to change it into multiply, and this will become the reciprocal. So that means 1 over 3. So 1 times 1, 2 times 3. So numerator will be multiplied to numerator and denominator to the denominator. So this is 1 over 6, right? Next we have use a protractor to measure the size of the marked angle. So we have to measure this angle. Here if you see, this is reflex angle, so it's hard to measure. So what we will do, we are going to measure this one, then we will subtract it from 360. So if I put my protractor here, so this is, you see, from here to here 0, 10, because baseline is here, you will start this reading from down here, 120. So this angle is 120, but we are looking for this marked angle, right? So that will be 360 minus 120, that is 240. So why we did this 360 minus 120? Because this whole circle complete angle is 360. Out of that we will subtract this one, so we will have this marked angle as 240 degrees. Sorry guys. Now Number 6, part A. Here is a list of numbers. We have some numbers here. Draw a ring around a common multiple of 3 and 7. Multiple of 3 and 7. So multiple of 3 is going to be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, right? Then 15 plus 3, 18 plus 1, 21, 24, 27. They are up to 7. And 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28. So which is common? Draw a ring around common multiple of 3 and 7. So there is no 7, 14, 21. I can only see 21 here. So where is 21? Here is 21. So we'll put ring around it, right? Now here is the number list of numbers. Draw a ring around the common factor of 4 and 6. So common factor, which is factor of both, that means that divides both of them. So now 2 divides both of them. 2 times 2, 4, and 2 times 3, 6. So this is a common factor. 4 is a factor of 4. You can divide 4 by 4, but you cannot divide it by 6, right? So then 6 is also only for 6. 22, no, 24. They all are bigger than this, so they cannot be factor. So only number 2 is factor of 4 and 6, right? So I hope you are getting everything. If you like the video, please press the like button right now, and please subscribe to channel if you are new to the channel, and I really appreciate your support. So let's start number 7. Anastasia draws a line of best fit on a scatter graph, right? Here is the scatter graph. Tick to the graph with the correct line of best fit. Now first of all, you need to know what is line of best fit. Line of best fit is a line which is like along the scattered points, like all the points are nearby in that alignment, right? So this is like, you see, many points are away from line. This is horizontal line, so this is not. This is also vertical line, this is not. So one of these. So you see how to compare. There should be one of these. This one, you see, in this most points are nearby to this. So here you can see this point is gone far from this. So that means this is the line of best fit. Okay. Now part B. Jamila draws a different scatter graph. She plots the age of each child in her class against the number of books they read. She thinks there is not a connection between age and the number of books each child reads. Tick the scatter graph that supports Jamila's idea. So here we have 4 of them, right? So that means we are looking for a graph that gives us no correlation. So if you see here, so this is stable here, like let's say if this is 5 years old, and if they are just talking about 5 years old, and then this one is age coming down, that is negative, this is positive. So the only option left is here, no correlation, right? Now number 8. Here are 2 negative numbers. Add the 2 numbers, write down the answer. So adding negative 25, negative 10. So 5 and 35, but answer will be negative. Okay. Question 9. Calculate 2 by 3 of 18. So 2 over 3 of means multiply 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. Now we are left with 2, and 6, 2 times 6, it is 12, right? Now here we have 3 over 2 times 24. So 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3 is 36. So final answer is 36, right? Now number 10, complete. So we need to complete. So this one is addition. 141.56 plus 13.213. Now make sure you put decimal under the decimal, and digits should go along accordingly. So you can put 0 in the missing number. So when you add this, so this 3 plus 0, 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 1 is 4, 554.773, right? Now this is minus, negative sign is there, 17.512, we have decimal here, and the answer is this actually 4.3. So we need to look for this number. So basically what we can do, you see here, what we subtract from here, that to get this one. So if I bring this here, so let's say I'm making this 7.512 minus, you bring this minus here 4.3, that will give you this answer, right? So we can subtract this actually. So 17.512 minus 4.3. So 2, 1, 5 minus 3, 2. Yes, 4 minus 7 minus 4 is 3, 13.212. So to check this, you can even check. If you are confused, you can check like 17.512 and then 13.512. Sorry, 212. So this is 0, 0, 3, 7 minus 3 is 4, 4.3. So this is the correct answer, 13.212, right? So that's it for this video. I hope you guys understood everything. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel, and if you like the video, please press the like button and let me know in the comment section. I will wait for that, for your feedback. Thank you so much guys. God bless you. See you in the next video.